As the nation celebrates its completion of 75 years of country's freedom, every corner of the nation commemorated the moment with joy and happiness. Likewise, 76th Independence Day is also celebrated at Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong on 15th August. In a shocking incident, not one, not two, not five, but as many as 31 students partaking in march past to celebrate 76th Independence Day at Hamren, West Karbi Anglong, fainted due to the scorching heat. With the initiative of the District Administration of West Karbi Anglong, 76th Independence Day celebration was observed at the Rongbong Ronghang Playground, Hamren. On this occasion, students from different schools displayed their enthusiasm by participating in the march past. Amidst their participation, 31 students fainted as they were dehydrated due to the scorching heat.
Kardom Karbi Anglong life kelang rado anapan pini Hamren rong supi pen al tuma pan birta ki PG kenang sot lano non India adet angkang pi areng kelok mate British sarideng pen ke jok laso Catalan Independence Day mate ke jok wan arni Catalan pon ingdeng trok sike pra trok phong Catalan along ladak rongbong rohang patwak klam along march past ki bipon school student atum ladak chepate dundo laso ke chepate along DC pen lam ke than RG ke ding la pen arni ke so akile kili tupik pen jok la so kachicha ko ne pen jok alang tum penangan student atum la dak ke crap na zone thek ponong lo ngasi la dak student tum det kali la police atum stame CRPF atum la dak ke crap pon da thek ponong ngasi non la dak civil hospital long si tong se kot ambulance pen dak medical staff atum pen
It was reported that the children were the students of Church of God English High School, Presbyterian Mission School, West Karbi English High School, Don Bosco High School, Hamren Baptist English School, Residential English School, along with some government employees. All the students and government employees who lost their consciousness were immediately taken to Hamren Civil Hospital for their treatment.
Ante sarkar panel tu baphan ko pini kelang la somna abarsai ke pidoma. Nali methang tong kisu chewan madanga.
Kali da nona kisi sar ko. Sar tu pun ko lo ke hospital se to jiban tha.
Ampe biji dawai daru la ka tu ka be. Nali tum tong ke nam nang ma mate da pen tong pi ma.
No pun tu nam ni. Nam nang ni nam.
Morning sing tang.
Mas pas kem dun payat ma.
Mas nang tang dala pa amu tang dat blok tulan ben nang kuat bukan mate.
Nanda mane ahu sewang be pinang ma.
Pinang mek ta pinang bata.
So far, the situation is taken under control by the district administration and the victims are undergoing treatment at Hamren Civil Hospital. Daniel Inghis report from Hamren, Karbi Anglong Live.